Hi everyone, I'm Martina Fuchs. I'm in Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan, also called the Land of Fire. Azerbaijan is an exhilarating mix of an oil-driven boom and ancient Asian cultures, full of contrasts with futuristic skyscrapers and jaw-dropping architecture set against a UNESCO-listed old city and timeless villages in the Great Caucasus Mountains. But COVID-19 has dealt a serious blow to this Caucasus country's nascent tourism industry.
2019 was an amazing year. We had 3.2 million arrivals from international guests. After March 2020, it basically completely stopped during COVID. And 2022, we see a recovery in the average of the region, about 50%.
It's still like starting to get up, but I think it still hasn't reached the level before pandemic.
Sultan Inn Hotel, it's approximately 20 years we have started, but it paused in COVID-19. And after COVID-19, we started again here, and we have lots of guests all over the world, and all over the world. So in this situation, in the last 3 months, probably all rooms are full.